The energy crackled in the air as Iron Man soared above the city skyline, his HUD displaying rapidly updating data. Reports had come in of a new threat, a villain known as Rogue Wave who was threatening global security with a device capable of triggering catastrophic tsunamis. Tony Stark, inside the sleek, red and gold suit, frowned. Rogue Wave was unlike any adversary he had ever faced. His technology was almost as advanced as Stark's own, and his desire for chaos made him exceptionally dangerous. As Iron Man streaked toward the coordinates of Rogue Wave's last known location, the sky darkened ominously. An emergency broadcast blared in his ear. Massive tidal waves detected in multiple oceanic regions. Immediate action required. Stark's mind raced. Think, Tony, think. The suit's AI, JRVIS, chirped in. Sir, I have isolated the signal controlling the devices. It's coming from an offshore oil rig. Descending rapidly, Iron Man reached the oil rig, now converted into Rogue Wave's base of operations. As he landed, explosions rocked the structure, sending plumes of fire and debris into the air.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down. Goodbye.